Hey friends, if you wish to fix Microsoft Store error 0x80004003 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is WS reset, which means you will reset the Microsoft Store. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command WS reset and hit enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store and relaunch it. The next solution is to re-register the Microsoft Store. So we have a command for you. I'll share it in the description section of the video. Simply copy it, search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator, paste it here and hit enter. Okay, this will re-register the Microsoft Store, which is similar to reinstalling it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.